What's going on, guys? In this video I will show you how to get 3uTools app for Mac. Of course, all of you know that 3uTools is only for Windows and there is no version for Mac. So in this video I will show you how to get the Mac version. Alright guys, so the first thing you will do is open the browser. Now go to this link, which is i4.cn. Alright, hit enter. Alright, as you see here guys, you will download this app, which is i4tools app, and this app is the same as the 3uTools app, but the only difference is just the name. This app has all the features of 3uTools. Alright, now click this button to download the app, and as you see, the app is being downloaded. Okay guys, I already downloaded the app and therefore I will not download it again. Alright guys, after downloading the app, now open it to install the app. Alright, as you see, this is the app and now I will install it. Okay, now double tap this file to install the app. Alright, here click continue, install. Now type your Mac password and click install. Okay, now just wait for the installation to finish. This will take about 30 seconds. As you see guys, the app was installed successfully. Alright, now go ahead and open the app. You should find it on Launchpad. Alright, now I'm gonna open the app. Boom, as you see guys, this app is the same as 3uTools, but the difference between them is just the name. As you see, this app has the same 3uTools interface, the same buttons, features, and everything. So this means now you have 3uTools on Mac. The only problem with this app is that it is in Chinese only and it doesn't have English language. I tried to change the app language to English, but unfortunately the app doesn't support localizable strings and language files. So I contacted the support service and asked them to add the English language, and they told me that it will be added during the next updates, so we need to wait. If you are a user of 3uTools, this app will help you a lot on your Mac, and it's completely free. Alright guys, I couldn't find any difference between 3uTools and this app. It's almost the same. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.